Hello, good morning. Yesterday I got a comment to one of the videos I posted in February, Microsoft project for P6 users, add an activity ID column. And the comment was from Natalia, who asked two questions: how to assign complex IDs for different fields, engineering, procurement, construction, how to assign exactly the same ID as what I have in P6. So the scheduling Microsoft project and P6 are identical. For the second question, I'm still thinking about it. Not come up with an idea of how to do it yet. But for the first one, pretty easy. That's the focus of this video. So if I go back to that schedule, the schedule for adding an activity ID column, which we did, and everything just had mn dash prefix. So all I did was to add mn dash prefix to the unique ID field that comes with Microsoft Project. Can confirm that by go to Format, click Custom Field. I've used text one. If you look at the formula, the mn-1 concatenated with unique ID. So to assign, so what Natalia wants is like for all these activities under project management and milestones WBS, she wants the activity IDs to be prefixed, let's say PM. All this activity under engineering WBS will come, we have like an EN prefix, and under procurement you have a PR, and under offshore installation you can have an OF or an IN. So to do that, I'll use another text field. I'll go back to my favorite feature, custom field. So you go text. Since text 1 and 2 are already in use, I'll go for text 3. So this is text 3. And to format it, go to custom. Now I'll rename these. So I'll call them phase, like each phase of the project, project management, engineering, procurement, installation. Now, for this field, because we're going to assign either engineering, project management, engineering, procurement, or offshore installation against active codes, against activity, against tasks. What I'm going to do, instead of a formula, set up a lookup. I'll start with PM to be for PN. In case you're wondering why I'm not using WBS codes to max this, problem with that, that's based on outlines. So, but what I want here is the user has to select one of these that's assigned to task. So you can have different codes under different outlines. You have PR for procurement and construction. Offshore installation. Just showing you how this can be done. You can set up different codes as you see fit. So I've defined my 4 codes. If I close the OK, what I want to do is to assign this code. So for this, I'll say PM, PM. So maybe do this way. Effective date is PM, engineering design completion, and engineering belongs to the engineering phase, procurement, when it's a milestone, procurement completion. So maybe I should just go back, edit this, let's say project management. Or should I set up, yeah, project management with that? Thinking of setting one for just milestones, but I'll leave that. This will be procurement, PR, installation. But this is what I said, and WBS code wouldn't allow you to do because asking we just pick everything, assign all these same WBS code based on outline. Project completion, I put into all these management activity, um, carrying actually pull this down so it will disregard the summary. So you go installation. Okay. So we've got our the phase of each task defined. So now, so if I go back to my activity ID field, I want to do is change the formula. There's the MN text 3. So we have phase and concatenate that. So I need to add the dash sign, that in double quotes. That's it. As you can see, we've changed the prefix based on the phase of the project. So that's it. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching and see you another time. Cheers.